Yeah. Sometimes even when you love someone, you still have to let them go. At first it felt like scenes from a movie screen. Your smile every morning was my favorite thing. You said forever, no leaving, no goodbye. So why am I the only one left here tonight? Your promises faded like smoke in the air. Your hugs turned cold like you no longer cared. I tried to fix us even when I was breaking too. But sometimes love alone can't make it through. And with every step you took away from me, my whole world slowly lost its melody. I hate accepting what I know is true, that I forever ended way too soon. So here I am writing rap songs in the dark, trying to erase every memory in my heart. Our love once burned like a fire so bright, now it's ashes blowing away in the night. And even if it hurts, I gotta face the pain. Some hearts were never meant to stay the same. You're the reason why these scars remain, but you also taught me how to rise again. I still remember all the dreams we used to chase, walking hand in hand, smiling face to face. Now I'm alone on these empty streets, listening to songs that still remind me of we. People say the pain will fade someday, so why does your name still echo in my brain? No matter how hard I try to move on, you're still the lyrics in every sad song. Maybe there's a reason why we fell apart. Maybe someone else will heal your heart. And even if mine was shattered in the end, I'll still pray for your happiness again and again. So here I am, still moving through the rain, carrying wounds that time can't easily change. Our love became a lesson in my life, that sometimes real love means saying goodbye quietly one last time. Every broken heart out there, keep going.